why you for suck your mama? Hear why?
2 months now, I get a text to you, know. And I ain't reply. Business man talk to you about it because I'm a businessman.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to another video. So RT Boss and World Dawg at it apparently is me over some argument stuff where you don't know receipt that they know RT deal with receipt. So anyways, World Dawg I try say my fish, so you make sure you share this.
Batman, you know, see you dead. Remember you see no fuck Batty again. The whole world a talk about it. Batman, you know, see you dead. Go and explain to your ex-gang. You know, see you used to fuck Batty, you retire. Come and fuck you. Since it's fuck you one. Remember you say stop stick fuck. Come and fuck you. Because like them top man they not fuck you good we are as entertainer. Come and fuck you. Me give a mad fuck and straighten your blood clap. Batty boy. You know, see,
Yeah man, so I could leave it at that end of the day. Yes, me, we're not gonna share the rest of it. If you can go over RT page, besides that the war look really intense, guys. Like later from this, like the fuel like you know burn differently, yes me guys. But make this a RT I say, this RT I say.
remember say me mind you. Remember me mind you, your fans them. Remember 5 grand me give it feed you and the chef. And through RT come my bad. Yeah. He shall beat out him blood clot, him retired handicap Ross. Long time Batty boy. Everybody know that. The bad night that. Man attack it out time out say stop for Batty. So where the world are? Come back again no. You look a body boy. Come back now. It's a fuck a Batty man fuck him and rape him and turn him an idiot. It's in other sense. It's a Batty man fuck him and rape him. Turn him an idiot. Batty man fuck him. Liquid sense. Yes, man, the Batty man give him get a Batty man rape and fuck and charge up him sense. Not sense, man. The boy come, talk about something, mama beat up himself, not pay him no mind, him dead. He not know where I go. He not no career I go. Nothing that dead there. Him left. World Dawg go suck your dead mama in the casket. Hashes to hash, dust to dust sucking. Make sure you have on your mask. Make sure when you dig up your dead mama out of the casket, World Dawg gonna suck out her bone and her dust. Make sure you wear the mask because them the way the mama you suck your mama is a ashes to ashes and dust to dust when bone they in the collide. So make sure when you suck your mama, you walk with the mask, World Dawg, because you have to suck her from the bone to the dust. Yeah? So that's why you know that. Batty boy, you talk about gun, you not no gun, you a coward. Remember Pretty Dan stop the radio because she find out some man a fuck you. Remember Pretty Dan said she come see the chef boy over your blood clot, yeah, that you never have on no pussy clot shirt. And she have to wonder, oh, World Dawg in a blood clot in a house with 2 man. And me have to say to her, I say, Pretty Dan, well, if you see it's a Batty man energy, nobody allow it up. Yes, Pretty Dan was so blood clot concerned. Oh, you naked in a house with chef when she become pick up fair money. So obviously, boy, you're a long time Batty boy. For you then a blood clot underpants in a house. I'm Pretty Dan a long time gay sodomite and all sort of blood clot. And for she a lick out by you, a fuck chefy, you is a Batty boy. But you don't want to talk about that, but me talk. Don't worry about me and my Batmanism. You come out of the closet, you ball out and say you stop fuck Batty. So we are recommending and ask why you stop fuck it. Ex people go suck on the mama. Your leader broke. Your leader hungry. Let me show you something, ex people, why you go suck on the mama. Let me tell you why you have to suck your mama. This is one of the reasons why you have to suck your mama. First reason why you have to suck your mama. Hear why?
2 months now, I get a text to you, know. And I ain't reply. Business man talk to you about it because I'm a businessman.
Alright, so you see the first reason why you have to suck your mama? The first reason why you have to suck your mama, your boss a look money. Your boss like a dog with puppy with dead for hungry. And you see, through me rich and have my money, and this a puppy is not pretty grease mongrel. So I throw him blood clot out the door for nyam bone. Him nothing in a house I get good puppy through feeding. You feel me? Because you look a puppy through feeding now, he might get too hype. So I say, pussy go suck your mama go nyam bone. Money in my look, so I run him away. You feel me? So you and your leader can't class me. Because when me give money for sorry for no blood clot, him take it and near me. So the argument start because Roll Dawg I look money for borrow from me blood clot. We keep dancing in Florida. 2 months now I avoid him. So carry this to your leader. Meanwhile, I tell him go suck him mama and money feelings. He can't rich like me and he can't have my money. And all when him dead and come back, he can't rich like me.
2 months now I get a text for you, you know. And I ain't reply. Business man talk to you about because I'm a businessman.
You hear that?
Jump up
You
and
see that?
shout
You see one problem? 2 months now. Money problem. Go suck your leader. You know, see, we royal family over here prosper. You know, see, how since me, your leader was down to blood clot, nobody now look on him and me, boss him and turn him back in a smarty. Remember say when lava cut him off, lava now deal with him and me make your leader back, him copy me and me send him guy road and my image boss him. Remember say man on nobody. Remember say your leader retarded. Remember say him head fuck up. Remember say a batty man fuck him. That's why him head not so good. You feel me? You get me? So this is a personal thing. This is not only RT. This is that your leader was raped by a notorious batty fucker. And the fuck with them fucking it, mash up him heads. So all of you ex-people, you know, go find a way for unfuck him. And I can't help you in that meds. You feel me? Cannot help you in that meds. So just clearly make you know that the time everybody over here address me, I have one thing that me and everybody around here want to know. Everybody still need to know this. We still not get the answer yet. Address this.
Me no fuck batty again. One, gradient.
We need clarity. We need clarity. We need clarity for this. We need clarity for this.
Me no fuck batty again.
No.
One,
this is something that is really make the war over. Because in a generation where you have fuck batty till you retire, I have to keep far from you.
Some boy can't tell me why. Me no fuck batty again. One,
no.
Gradient.
It's obviously your leader, a governor in the batty business. Don't bring the batty. Listen. You notice why you can't address me as batty man. You know why you can't come to me as batty man? Because when the leader is the representative of batty man, you take it to them more. Listen what your leader say. You know? That wasn't a comedian. The man is a batty man. Simple. Bisexual. Put it that way then. Fuck man and woman. Remember my fuck Lolo? And I thought enough for one too. You ever see my keeper man? The man a batty man. We can't bet on now win. Me not hide that. Enough of them a batty man. I lead away my worship a batty man. Let me explain something to you. Closing. I really don't come out here for all the argument, but it's just that me they lie down and this man a call on my phone and call on me phone. And then me cuss him. Then he call on my phone. And he must say after me no do nothing. And Ray. And him send him bag of voice note, them see them here. And then he call me back.
Go. Yeah. One. Leave me alone. One.
Listen.
RT, go away and go. You lose every respect for you as a big man. Every respect me lose for you. You're one of them man that we don't have no respect for again. Lose every respect for you.
Yeah.
Jamaica save some money, you know. Jamaica. I tell you, and my mother dead arrested RT.
He might go bring badness for me and tell me say he can't go to Jamaica. Me can't go to Jamaica. Papi show that blood clot. Maybe he can't come out of him door.
You gunshot if you get it in your face.
And him mama dead already. If he can't kill me, and he can't kill him dead mama, so me don't know. Him have to catch him dead mama and kill her again and come back for me.
Oh, you know what we are just beat on to dead pussy.
The reason why I'm here, listen, I don't really have time for this still, but
Real
just have to
dog,
show
if you
too.
know
And let me tell you, the reason why I come here, because I love mix up. Because I come here and I love mix up, and I want to get the mix up. And the mix up better for me because people are going to run, come, people are going to book reading. So this whole mix up benefit me. So the reason why me have time in this atmosphere, all of these blood clots over here are going to run, come for reading. So me have time for it. It's all about promotion from my side. You see me? But when me I try to say to you now, anytime, me not stop Roll Dawg from saying nothing, but I go and beat him like a blood clot ball and everybody go and watch the ride here. I don't stop that batty boy. But one thing I know I shall do, I shall beat that batty boy right down to the ground. Watch how me deal with him. Me not in an argument with him. But me come for tell him come for beg. Him come for apologize. Me tell him go suck him dead mama in the casket and make sure him use mask when he might dig up the ground. So him get offended again. No blood clot peace treaty. No peace treaty. Suck your mama straight, Roll Dawg.